Hello everyone, wishing you a day full of energy and continued success with your vibrant rose bushes in your garden. Roses are always considered one of the most beautiful and beloved flowers, thanks to their captivating colors and distinctive fragrance. Today, I will guide you through a simple, natural method of propagating rose cuttings. This combination will help the cutting receive the necessary moisture, natural minerals, and energy to quickly sprout and form a healthy root system after only a short period of care. First, prepare a rose branch of your choice, preferably a healthy branch free from pests and diseases and of moderate age. Branches that are too young are prone to root rot, while those that are too old will be harder to root. After selecting a suitable branch, use sharp scissors to remove all leaves and thorns to minimize water loss. Also, remove any damaged or wilted petals to prevent fungal diseases from developing during the rooting process. Then, trim the branch to about 20 centimeters in length. This is an ideal length, as it allows the branch to store enough nutrients while still ensuring good water absorption and root development. Next, prepare a fresh lemon, wash it thoroughly, and cut it in half. Squeeze all the lemon juice into a clean plastic cup. Lemon juice contains a high amount of natural acids and vitamin C, which helps clean the surface of cuttings, inhibit bacteria, and stimulate faster root development. Then add about 500 milliliters of water and stir well. After preparing the solution, gently soak the rose cuttings in the lemon juice for about 30 minutes. This is a very important step as it helps disinfect the cuttings naturally before placing them in a sealed, high-humidity environment. The lemon peel should not be discarded after squeezing the juice, as it is also a very good source of nutrients for plants. Cut the lemon peel into small pieces and put them in another clean plastic cup. Next, add about 5 tablespoons of rice to the cup along with the lemon peel. When soaked, the rice will release starch, B vitamins, and many natural minerals that nourish the young tissues of the cuttings. Then, add about 150 milliliters of Coca-Cola to the mixture. Coca-Cola contains a certain amount of sugar and minerals. When diluted correctly, it will help replenish energy for the cuttings during the initial stage of new root formation. Stir the mixture well with a spoon and let it sit for about 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to dissolve in the water. After the flower stem has been soaked in the lemon water for the required time, gently remove it from the cup. Use a sieve or clean cloth to filter out all the pulp, collecting the clear lemon solution. Next, filter the lemon peel, rice, and Coca-Cola solution and add it to the lemon solution. Stir well to create a complete nutrient mixture. Then dilute it with about 0.4 liters of clean water to achieve a suitable concentration. Avoiding shocking the flower stem or making it too concentrated during the rooting process. Now we will prepare the environment to stimulate root growth. Take a clean glass jar and a piece of soft foam. Use a knife or scissors to cut the foam to fit snugly around the mouth of the glass jar. This foam will help secure the flower stem and keep the root in stable contact with the nutrient solution below. Next, insert the rose stem through the center of the floral foam so that the base is facing downwards. Then fill the glass jar with the prepared nutrient solution. Gently place the floral foam over the mouth of the jar, ensuring the base of the stem is fully submerged in the solution. During this step, ensure the upper part of the stem remains dry and well ventilated, with only the base in contact with the solution to prevent root rot. To create a stable humidity environment to promote root growth, use a clear plastic bag or cup to cover the entire glass jar and rose stem. This covering will retain moisture, creating a mini greenhouse effect, thus reducing water loss through the stem and promoting root formation. Then, place the jar in a cool, well-lit area, avoiding direct sunlight and strong winds. Stable temperature and sufficient humidity are crucial factors for successful rooting. After about 10 days of proper care, you will begin to notice very positive changes in the rose cutting. Lush, healthy green shoots will appear at the dormant buds, developing quite evenly. Observing the base of the cutting, you will see many plump, white roots beginning to grow around it. This is a sign that the cutting has adapted well to its new environment and the propagation process is progressing smoothly. Once the root system is more stable, you can replant the rose cutting in a pot with good drainage. In the initial stage, use clean river sand as a growing medium to encourage healthy root development and prevent fungal diseases. Later, when the plant is stronger, you can add organic soil or compost to promote vigorous growth, produce more new branches, and bloom more beautifully. Hopefully, this simple method will give you another interesting way to propagate roses at home using familiar and readily available materials. With a little patience, proper care, and maintaining the right moisture level, you can absolutely create healthy rose bushes with beautiful white roots and vibrant new shoots. Thank you for taking the time to read this article. We wish you continued success in your gardening passion and that you will have many more beautiful, thriving rose bushes all year round.